Hi students, so once again we are back together at your own learning platform Learn Forward with your book The Grammar Hub by Feather Cap, and we'll be starting chapter 13 of your book, the sentence. You know about sentences, you have learnt about kinds of sentences also. So let's see what more we are going to learn today in grade 3. Underline the interjections in the following sentences. So let's see how much you remember. Yes, ouch, you are hurting me. So can anybody tell me what for do you use the word ouch, this interjection? Yes, that is for pain. Very good. Wow, you are looking beautiful. So that is to show your happiness. Yes. Hello, it's good to see you. Of course, interjections are followed by mark of exclamation. So, hello is here. But what do you use it for? We use it to get somebody's attraction. Yes, attention. Next, yippee, my tests are over. So, they are showing your excitement. You are so happy. You are excited that your exams are over. And next, yuck, this sandwich tastes awful. What is this yuck word showing you? It's showing your disliking, your disinterest here. So, are you excited to learn more interjections today? Let's start. So, what are interjections? These are the words that express your certain feelings, your certain emotions that you cannot control, beyond your control. Like, look at these pictures. Oh, what a beautiful rose. So, she is very happy. She is excited to see. That is, she is using oh. She can even say, wow, what a beautiful rose. Then we have, hurrah, we have won the match. So, that is showing your happiness over winning, right? Next, we have bravo, John. Well hit. What do you use bravo for? We have learned earlier also. It's used to appreciate somebody. So when this boy is giving a very good hit, so he is being appreciated using the interjection bravo. Next, here, oh, see, the pet of this boy cat is dead. So he is very sad, isn't it? So he is saying, alas, my cat is dead. So alas is the word. This is an interjection that shows your feeling of pain, sorrow, sadness, right? So can we move ahead now? Yes. Here's a list of more interjections for you, their meaning and how and when do we use them. Like bravo, we have already done. That is used to praise, to appreciate somebody. Like bravo, you have done well. So that is appreciation. Next, hey, hey or hello. They both are used to seek somebody's attention. If you want to just let somebody look at you, you'll say, hey, listen to me. Hello, how are you? Right? So this is used to seek somebody's attention. Next, oops. Oops means that is a realization. Oops, I forgot to bring your notebook. That means you are realizing your own mistake. You are feeling sorry for it. Next, shh or hush. Both these words. Do we have hush here? No. Okay. Even hush. These words, interjections, these are used to ask somebody to be quiet, right? Like we say, shh, the exam is going on. That means keep silent here, no disturbance, no sounds. Next, yippee, hooray. That means these are used to express your victory. That means you have won something, you are very happy. So that is to express your happiness over winning something. Next, yummy. Oh, that's so simple. Because when you like somebody, it's very delicious. You like that flavor. So you say yummy. So this is for telling your liking for taste. Next is alas. We have just done in the exercise. Alas is used to express your very nice. Yes, that's the perfect answer. It is used to express your grief, your sorrow, your sadness. Okay. Next, hello again. It's like hey to seek somebody's attention. That is, or to greet somebody. When somebody comes, when you meet somebody, then for that greeting also you say hello, how are you, right? Then oh, oh is used for surprise. Oh, you have done this, you have made such a beautiful picture. So that is to express your sudden surprise feeling. Then ouch. Ouch is, yes, you say that many a times. Ouch, I'm hurt. My hand is paining. Ouch, right? So this shows your expression of pain. Next, wow. So wow is for surprise, for wondering something. Wow, what a beautiful flower. Wow, the rainbow looks so beautiful, right? So it shows your feeling of wandering. Next, yuck. Yuck is, yes, your feeling of dislike for something. So I hope you will remember these and you will try to use them also. Okay? Yes. So let's go ahead and do some exercise here. Choose the correct interjection from the list and fill in the blanks. So here is the list of interjections. Let's see how and where we can use them. Dash, what a surprise to see you. So you are greeting somebody. That's why you are using hello. Who will tell me the next one? Dash, I hurt my foot. That means an interjection for pain. Yes, which one of these are you going to use for pain? Very good. It's ouch. Next, let's go on tiptoe. What's the meaning of tiptoe? Tiptoe means quietly, without making the sound of your walking even. That means, very good, you are asking somebody to be quiet. So this is hush. Right? Next, no school from today. So you are very excited, you are very happy. Yes, hurrah. So that means your holidays have started and you are super excited and happy. The deer fell into the pit. See, we have feelings for animals also. And the animal, this deer, has fallen into the pit. So how do you feel? Yes, you feel sad. That is alas. So I hope you liked learning the new interjections here. A long list for you. Let's recall what we have learned in today's session about interjections. Interjections are the words that express your sudden feelings or emotions, right? And these words, how do you end them up? These words are always followed by a mark of exclamation. Can you see here? All these words are followed by a mark of exclamation, right? So remember using this mark of exclamation at the end of each interjection. That is very important. And we have already learned a long list of interjections. So hope you have understood their use also and you'll remember them. Let's see how much you can recall. Take the correct answer. Oh, what a beautiful flower. So the colored word expresses the feeling of, oh, what a beautiful flower. So what is she doing? Is it surprise? Is it joy? Is it admiration? Or is it all of these? Actually, it is all of these because you are surprised to see the beauty. It's so beautiful and you are full of joy. That means you are very happy to see that and even you are admiring the beauty of that flower. So, it is all of these. So, once you get one answer, it means you will not stop here. You should read all the points because sometimes all of them may be the answer, sometimes two might be the correct option. Okay, so please don't stop at one. Next, dash, we have won the match. So, which is the correct interjection you will use? Excellent, hurrah. So, that shows your happiness over winning something. Dash, I forgot to bring my purse with me. Oh, so you are feeling sorry for it. You are feeling like you have forgotten. So you are feeling sorry for it. Oh, I forgot to do that. So it will be oh. Next, dash. How are you, my dear friend? Yes, that means you are greeting your friend. So it will be hello. How are you, my dear friend? So coming to the next exercise, we have read the following poem and underline the interjections. I hope it's very easy for you. The interjections are right there followed by the mark of exclamation and you can do it. Match the interjections with the sentences. So some interjections are given to you. The sentences are given to you. So how we are going to match? We'll first read the sentence. We'll see what feeling is expressed there and we'll find out the correct interjection matching to it. Let's start it. I have not seen you for a long time. So what are we doing here? Yes, we are greeting somebody. We are first saying hello and then you say, I haven't seen you for a long time, isn't it? So this is hello. I hear something coming. So you want to pay attention there. That means you want silence around. So which word are you going to use here? Which interjection? Perfect answer. That is hush. Our team has lost. Oh, it's really very sad. It's a sorrow. It's a feeling of grief. Like if the team loses match. So grief comes from alas, right? It's just the opposite of hooray when you win something. Next, I have lost my precious watch. So what's that? Yes, that is your feeling of sadness. So how sad. Coming to last, I don't have any money to buy this book. So you are like into shock, you are sad also. So what is the interjection that shows you this feeling? Yes, it is I don't have any money to buy this book. So I hope you have understood the use of different interjections. Good. So we'll be looking ahead for more interesting sessions in grammar. Till then, happy learning, children.